We got 13 posts in the ground. I've been taking all the boards, been yanking all the nails out, cutting them all the 10 foot, 1 inch, just to have a little bit to put up the horizontal boards. And then now we need 5 more posts in the ground. So I sharpened the chainsaw and got bar oil in there and just mixed up some gas. And Joe said that he didn't mind cutting more, so figure we just make a quick video for you guys, just let you see how we were making the round pin for as cheap as possible. We bought screws, got 2-inch screws before we went. We were going to cut down a bunch of small trees, but instead we just got a bunch of old wood laying around the farm that we took down an old building. So we're just going to take that and put them all around. So we spent $40 for the screws. Like I said, they were 2-inch, and everything else has been completely free. This is what we do. This is a cedar tree. Don't quote me, I believe they call them western cedar, but apparently they have a few different kinds. This is what we got in our neck of the woods. So we're going down between 2 and 3 feet deep in the ground, and then we're having it 5 foot 2 inches above the ground is what our posts are standing at. So some of them we'll have to cut, and then other ones hopefully we'll be able to get 2 posts out of. We'll just see how it goes. But I told them to take down these here, and that way we'll open up the view of the pond so the animals can get in here a little better. Well, that's all there is to it. We're just cutting them down and cut off all these little limbs. So we'll have 18 posts in the ground in total. And well, we'll probably have 19 because we got to make a 4-foot gate as well. So 18 for the actual pin though. I guess 1 for the gate, hopefully. But like I said, everything's made out of cedar. So that should hopefully outlive me. I'm 42 years old right now, so that should outlast me, hopefully. Yeah. So once you cut them all off, it'll look like this here. We cut this here about 16 foot, so we are going to have enough. We'll cut it around 14 or 15 foot. So we'll have 2 posts of this. We'll cut down 2 more trees. Then we'll have 6 posts. It will be good. So, apologize for the wind. I know it's windy out here. But right there, we just piled up all the limbs. It's too windy today to burn them, but got a clean shot down here so the cattle can come right in and get a drink of water and cool off. And 2 more trees and we'll have all of our posts. He thought it wasn't cedar, but I was like, no, it's cedar. I was like, that little tree next to it he's cutting down now. He's seen the leaves off that, thought it wasn't cedar. But he's just cutting off all the smaller limbs as he can. That way it'll be easier for later. Famous last words. Hopefully Joe doesn't die here. And I'm trying to block the wind out so it doesn't hit the microphone. I don't know how good of a job I'm doing. Yeah, so you always notch it on the front, and then you'll cut right above the notch on the back, and you go straight in. And then timber. Now he'll clean up the limbs just like the other one, and then that'll be 4 posts in total. So here's the fruits of our labor. Oh God, we had to drag these things probably 70 yards, carry them over a fence, drag them down another 30 yards to the road because the horses were getting scared of the truck or the side-by-side. So I didn't want them running into the barbed wire. So cut down 3 trees, so we got 6 posts. And here's where we're at right now in the round pen. Started putting up boards, and then my battery died on my drill, so. But we got this bad little dude here. We showed a review of it when we got it. It's made life easier. Like I said, it's really a pain in the butt with the rocks, but it still goes down a heck of a lot faster than just using a post hole digger. So in the end, it's going to look like this here. We'll have one more lateral board across, and then I'll probably do a cross beam or maybe one straight up and down, but probably 45 from the top right to the bottom left or something. And we'll see if, as long as that's sturdy enough, we should be good. And then right here I'm going to have to build a 4-foot gate with a cowboy latch so we can get in and out from horseback. But everything else is coming together. We just need 5 more posts in the ground, and we will have a round pen.